Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about how you can make conference call in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your phone app like this. Click on the phone and you have to dial first number like this. You can see I have dialed, and then you have to call. Click on call. You can see this, and here it is. Friends, you have to dial here first number like this, and then you have to simply click on call, and then you have to click on more section, and here it is add call option. Click on add call option, and here you have to type 121 and call this. Friends, there is a hold option. You have to just click on this, and you can see you have to click on this number like this. Click on add, and here it is added. You can see it is conference now. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.